Hey guys, Fernando from Montiel's Customs. So today I'm showing you guys the Mustang that we had just got done. We had it in our previous episodes. We just kind of had started on it, but we kind of got behind because we got some customers' cars we had to do. So today I'm just going to show you a little bit of what we did. We did a little bit of modifications. We put new headlights on it. We put new tail lights. We did a little bit of body and paint, cleaned it up a little bit, got it tuned right. So now she's running good. We still got about 400 horsepower in it. Let us know what you guys think. We're going to actually put it up for sale. So if you're interested in it, let us know. So that's going to be for sale, that Mustang. So make sure you guys comment and like. Now let me show you guys our wide body first ever 67 Camaro. So let me show you guys what we got in this car here. So we did front bumper delete, we did the ground effects, we molded all that in, we did the custom scoops, we did the drip rails, deleted all that stuff off the windows, got rid of the chrome. Now let me show you guys what's under the hood. So here we got an LS1, it's about 425 horsepower, it's tuned, cammed. Now we also have a TCI front suspension on it, tubular control arms, we got the Willwood brakes, and we just put in air ride technology in it, which helps it out, you know, lower it, you know, we get that lowered stance.
Hey, that's a bad motherfucking car. I ain't never seen nothing like that. That's unique. That's bad.
All right guys, so we showed you the custom wide body. So now let's go see what's up with Roger, see what's going on with him.
What's up guys, we got the Camaro in the shop, and for some body and paint, this is a 25th anniversary RS. It is a convertible, which makes it even more rare. Right now we got it in primer, getting it ready to go in the booth. Put some sealer on it and some paint. It is going Nardo gray, complete paint job, door jams and everything. We're also putting 2 stripes on it, front to back, the hood and trunk. Guys, we also got this 240 in. It's in the shop. We did a little bit of body work to it just to clean it up. We're just doing a quick scuff and shoot, nothing too big. Just to make the car look better, you know. Stay tuned just to see how this one comes out. It's going to midnight purple.
Okay guys, make sure you guys subscribe and like. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys keep tuning in. And remember that Mustang's for sale, so if any of you guys are interested, make sure you guys comment. We'll get back to you. Priscilla. You tell her, Rock. You tell her. Tell her. Tell her. Tell her who you are. Yeah, tell her who you are.